Let's bake chocolate crinkles. We need 1/2 cup of oil, 1 cup of white sugar, 4 eggs. Then mix, mix, mix. Vanilla extract. Then 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix, mix, mix again. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Then mix, mix, mix. Then add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cocoa powder. Mix, mix, mix until well combined. Use a scooper and shape it into a circle. Then coat it with powdered sugar. Once done, put it in the oven and bake it in 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Wow! Done with the first batch. Second batch. That's it, guys. Here's our simple and easy sweet recipe merienda. I love dipping it with milk, so yummy. Try this recipe now, guys. Thanks for watching.